Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking through a troubleshooting step for what to do if your automatic spindle isn't spinning, or you're not getting the option in the carve menu. And we're going to kind of talk through what that looks like. So I'm just going to go through the carve menu really quick. So I click on carve, confirm my material thickness, confirm my bit, confirm my work 0. I'm just going to set a new position, and then we get to this page where it says almost ready to cut, and the first step, raise the bit, and then it'll be turn on spindle, and then you'd confirm your spindle is on, and then you'd carve. So if you normally see that and for whatever reason you're not seeing it, one thing, or probably the first thing that I would recommend checking, is going ahead and just exiting out of the carve setup and going to machine. You'll get a drop down menu, and one of the options will be edit your machine. And this will open up a window. Kind of towards the bottom, it'll say spindle controlled by. And if it says manual, then that means that your spindle is controlled by you. You power it on very much like a router, or you would power it on separate from your machine. And if that's the case, you want to go ahead and click on that and select hardware. So now you're selecting an automatic spindle, other, whatever the default RPM spindle is for your spindle, and then click save. And so now when I go back through the carve menu, I'm going to confirm, secure, confirm, use new position. I'll raise bit, and then the option to turn the spindle on is going to return. And so basically what you want to do is, if you're seeing that where you used to have that option and you don't, go ahead and click on edit your machine. Make sure that your spindle is set to hardware. If it's not, go ahead, set it to hardware, and then go through the carve setup again. And that should fix that issue. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.